Welcome back to the course, Multilayer Neural Network Training and Testing Implementation. This is Lesson 4, where we will discuss the process used to train the neural network. In this lesson, we will discuss the steps of the training process. The first step in training is to initialize all the layers, weights, and biases to random values. Generally, the range for the initial weight and bias random values is small, but in the source code it is configurable so that you can tune it to your use case. The training is divided into a number of iterations called epochs. The weights and biases are not reinitialized for each epoch. They are taken at the values at which the previous epoch was completed as their starting point. What is different for each training epoch is the order in which the training samples are presented to the neural network. This randomization helps the gradient descent of the error curve to not get stuck in a local minimum. It does not guarantee that the neural network will not get stuck in a local minimum, but it helps. Then, for each sample of the randomized sequence of training samples, each consisting of an input array and a corresponding target array, the training discussed in the previous lesson is performed. Forward propagate the sample's input array to compute the output array. Then compute the error array using the output array and the sample's target array. Next, back propagate the error array back through the neural network. Lastly, update all the layers, weights, and biases as discussed in detail in the previous lesson. In the next lesson, we will be discussing the testing process used to measure the neural network's prediction accuracy.